Hi folks, Shane here at Southeast Motorcycles. Today we have this 2017 XL1200CX, the Sportster Roadster. So we're going to give this bad boy a test ride. It does have a stage 4 upgrade, and we'll speak to that once we get on. So come along and take a ride. 4,656 miles on this bike. You can see gorgeous paint, billet silver with the vivid black and pinstripe, this kind of burgundy pinstripe. Right off the bat, an excellent demonstration of power. You got 100 horsepower in the stage 4 kit. So when we start talking about the engine upgrade, stage 1, Screamin Eagle heavy breather, Screamin Eagle exhaust. It does have a Pro Street tuner. That's your stage 1. Stage 2 will have upgraded cams. Stage 3 will have your high compression pistons. Stage 4 will have your ported heads. A lot of fun this bike is. I've ridden this bike on many test rides. This is actually one of our parts guy's demo bikes, and he praises this bike, and I can see why. Very aggressive riding position. You got your mid controls. He did change out the handlebars to these iron style handlebars, which I kind of like because they pull you up a little bit higher versus the stock bars. Just a fun, performance oriented bike. Seat's pretty comfortable. Versus something like the 48 or the Iron 883. This seat height's going to be definitely a taller seat height. So if you have a shorter in seat, that's going to affect your experience when you're in stop traffic. Something to consider. It handles really well. This is a fun bike. I remember the first time I did a test ride when I started working here. They're like, oh yeah, take Frank's bike. Little did I know what it was I was getting on. And I had no idea how powerful, how fast this bike really is. But super cool looking bike. Kind of got a really almost cafe racer kind of style. You know, and make sure you watch my walk around video of this bike where I go over it in detail. But if you have any questions, visit us at southeastharley.com or give me a call at 440-439-5300. Come check this bike out. All right, thanks for watching, folks. We'll talk to you real soon. Take care.